last night's sharpening, but I want to do it on actual stone instead of the sure angle, and I'm gonna dull it first. So this is a 220 diamond grit, diamond stone, 220 grit diamond stone. Just a glass plate I'm using. This is a 220 Sharpening glass. But what I'm going to sharpen on is actually the Naniwa 600. That's basically the only stone that I'm going to use. I will let it slip like this, and when it's smooth, then I will draw. I will lift my elbow up as I draw near me, and this will be the angle for the tip. Just a quick cleanup of the stone.